Morning friends, it's Nancy. I am in the sleepy town of Sebringville, Ontario. Never been here. It's really not that far. I mean, it's just a little ways sort of northwest of Stratford, and I'm frequently in Stratford. I'd never even heard of Sebringville. But they're having a community-wide yard sale today. It's beautiful. It was 17 degrees when I got up this morning. I'm on my own, and I've been to 2 sales so far, and I got a box. Shout out to you, Catherine. It's an empty card box, and I didn't pay anything for it. I said, I'd like this box, and she said, what are you going to do with it? And I said, I'm going to make something. And she said, well, then you have it. All right, let's see what else we find. It's been slim pickings. I've been to 5 or 6 sales now. Got a shower curtain liner. They wanted 2. I offered 1. They took it. And got some cheesecloth. I offered her 50 cents. She took it. It's not open. I would pay $1.25 at the dollar store. So I don't know that I need it, but I got it. Yeah. So I might just head back home. See if there's anything. Like, they're just tiny little garage sales, and mostly junk. Like, I haven't seen anything. I saw a couple pieces of sheet music, but they weren't in great shape, so I didn't bother. And Lord knows I don't need any more music. It was for the title pages, really. All right, so we might have to go do some thrifting. So I'm in Stratford now. There's a little thrift store that's attached to the back of a church right on the main drag. I don't even, is it Ontario Street? I think it's Ontario Street. Didn't find much there. They usually have a free box outside that has books. Nothing I wanted. All I got was this bag of stamps, and Lord knows I do not need any more stamps. I have 2 Tupperware containers full of stamps, but it was $1, and there was some really unusual security envelope backs that I might want to, like this one just has stripes, that I might want to incorporate into a collage. I'm really liking the security backs. Also, I watched a video yesterday about Europa stamps. Somebody told me about a YouTube channel, Stamps Unlimited or something. I can't remember. I'll have to look it up. I'm subscribing now anyway, because it is a really great YouTube channel. It's really done well, and it's not specifically about stamps. Like, the stamp is the inspiration, but it's mostly about history and art and geography and things that I am super interested in. And it's really well done. I know the guy who does the show, I can't place his accent. It's maybe South African? I don't know. If somebody knows, let me know. I think he lives in the States now, though, but his accent is very different. Oh my gosh. Anyway, there's some Europa stamps in there, so that's why I got them. Just so I could show my husband, because I'll say, hey, remember that show we watched yesterday? Yeah, yard selling was a total bomb. I got a little pin. There it is. I got a little pin. It's a butterfly, and she let me have it for $1. And I got these heart charms, and I got 6 of them. One was a heart. It looks like an apple. Like, this one's a clear one. but I've got sort of this maroon color and quartz. So I got 6 little charms for $1. Yeah, so I got stuff to do at home. I should probably head home. See you there. Just about home, and there was a yard sale on the highway, so I just pulled in. I got these 2 sets of stamps. They're brand new in the package. This one, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. This is a script stamp, and there's a bird and some stuff, but I thought the script stamp would be alright. And this one has a couple of flowers I thought were nice. So those were 10 cents a piece. And I got this, it's not a golden book, it's a wonder book. And it's got The Night Before Christmas and Jingle Bells and The Friendly Beasts and The Animals Christmas. So it's got a bunch of different stories in it, but it's just a little thin book. Anyway, I paid $1.25 for that. All right, almost home.